It's me, Joel, here from Joel Plays Roblox, and today I'm playing Innovation Link and I'm trying to walk to Innovation Labs. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Today I'm gonna take a walk to Innovation Labs because the train just derailed. Wait a second, what's this thing? Wait a second, there's a helicopter! Does this thing work? Oh no, it's gonna leave. Let's get still here. Guys, I didn't know there was a helicopter in Innovation Inc. But then, no, I can't board on this helicopter. Fine, I'm just gonna have to walk to Innovation Labs instead. Be brave, Jewel, or the lab will cancel their train. Basically, are these the pipes? What the hey, guys? But oh my gosh! Wait! No! These trains take forever to arrive. Yeah! There's a railway here. My gosh, we're way to the Innovation Labs. Well, there goes that train. But we must report to Innovation Security. There's a bunch of equipment here. What the hey guys? Trains derail all this time in Innovation INC. Oh my gosh, yay! No! No! Boo! Thank you for watching.